Hello to my friends, welcome to GT CAAD. As you see, we have the motion study tips in Solidworks. The goal of this video is to learn how to use contact feature in motion study. Also, I want to model the slide part in Solidworks. Okay, let's go to the model, the motion study. Okay, press Ctrl N, create a new part. Here, create a 2D scale on the front plane. Here, use a line. You can press L key. It's choose the line. Start with the horizontal line. After that, we have the curve. When you back on the end of this line point, it's changed into curve. After that, we have the straight line. And the last one, we have the curve line. When you click on these points, the right side we have the relation toolbar. Select the tangent. It doesn't need to select this curve line and press Ctrl, hold it and select this line. After that, choose the tangent relation. Just click on this point and select the tangent. And here. Okay, this horizontal length is 300 millimeters. Here, this curve is the radius 142. This radius is 300. And this length of the straight line is 54. And about the heights, we have 300 millimeters. And you can select the center of this curve, and this point should be in the horizontal relation. As you see, our sketch turns into the black color. It means it's fully defined. You can see the notes in the description toolbar. Exit. This sketch is the pass slide part. Right click on it and go to the feature properties and change it into pass name. Okay, we need another sketch because I want to use sweep bus based. Create our part. Create a new sketch, 2D sketch on the right point. Okay. Here, the first step, we need to create a center line because I want to create the half of the sketch after the mirror about this center line. Use the corner rectangular tool here. Okay, this length is 50 millimeters. The thickness of this rectangular is 5 millimeters. Here, delete this line. After that, use the 3-point arc here. And use a line and create a vertical line. Okay, drag it line here. After that, back to the point, it change into the curve position. Okay, this fillet is 5 millimeters. This length is 20. This radius is 2 millimeters. Okay, drag this point into top here and select tangents again for this point. Tangent. Drag it this point till here and make this point tangent and drag it out the fillet till here, for example. Okay, change the radius 5 into 12, change the ambient 12. Okay, select this point, and this point should be on the vertical relation. And as you see, our sketch is fully defined, but it's just half. Go to the mirror and select all lines. After that, mirror about the width lines. I select the center line that I created the first step. Okay, exit the sketch. Here we have the two sketch. One of them is the path. It's the shape of our slide, and this is the profile of the part. Go to the features tab, select the sweep aspect. It needs you to choose the two sketch. One of them is the profile. As you see, we have the blue circle here. Select the second sketch. Okay, as you see, our path is choose, and here we have the closed loop. Let me to do it again. This profile, select the sketch number 2. Here he wants, because we have lined the middle of the sketch, you can delete it, or here we have a closed loop. Select this sketch. After that, okay, it recognizes this sketch as a closed loop. After that, select the path here. Okay, change the material, for example, into brace or rubber. Okay, select this surface, we need to close it. Select this line, press Ctrl and hold it, and select the other line. And here, convert entities, connect this point and this point together. We have the close sketch and fully defined. Go to the extrude boss base and change direction inside, and we have 5mm is the thickness of the profile, and it should be merged. Okay, our sketch is closed from the downside, and here the first part is created. Let's go to the model, the ball part. Go to the sketch tab, create a 2D sketch on the front plane. Here use the center circle, and the diameter is 20mm. Okay, select the line, choose the top point into down point of the D circle. Here we have the trim, it's like a scissors trim the half of the circle. Our sketch is closed and fully defined. Go to the feature and use revolve boss base. Here the first parameter need to select is the axis. This axis, it means our sketch rotate 360 degrees about this axis. Okay. Okay, our ball is created. Let's go to the assemble these parts. Press and Ctrl N, create a new assembly here. Browse your file. Here we have the slide. Okay, it's a stick, it can move around, because when you right click on this component, it means it's fixed. When you need to move away, just select the float. Look, but I prefer to be in fixed position. Okay, insert another component, it's the ball. Here I choose this ball that I created. When you click on this pane, it means you can insert that component again and again. 1 and 2. Here in the downside, we need, for example, 3 or 4 balls. Okay, 3 is enough. Okay, here the tricks is here. You need to, for example, close to this surface. It doesn't shoot to penetrate on this surface. For example, here it needs tangent on this surface. What can we do? Select the mate. These mates should be selected. This ball and this face should be tangents. Again, this ball and this face tangents. This ball and this face again tangents. Okay, in the top side, this ball and the face tangent, and this ball and the face is tangent. Okay, close the mates. And here, manually, we need to make a location these balls. Right click on this surface, and here we need to change to transparent. It's like a ghost mode, and you can see the ball where it is. For example, it should be here. It's enough. After that, this ball, for example, should be here. And the top, normal to view. One of the balls should be here, and another is here. That are separate together. Again, it should be a little inside. Let me check about this view. Okay, exit from the transparency of this part. We don't need to use mates in the next step. Okay, select the first tangent, press and hold shift key and select the last mates. Right click and suppress all mate. It means they lost, but they are exist if you need it, because we don't need these tangents. The reason of the motion study is here. Here we have the three tabs: model, 3D view and motion study. Select on it. Okay, I right click on the motion study. You can create or rename or create any motion study here. For example, number 2, the first one here. The second feature, we need to use the gravity, because all balls, it means here we need two balls should be moving the downside with it or with their weights. And which force do it? The gravity can do it for us. Select the gravity. I just select the y-axis. As you see, I can show you the green flash is the downside vertical. Okay. The second feature is the contact. Here the points. When you use the contact, it means all parts just rig or hit together if they are moving about together. Select the contact and select all parts. Okay. Here, expand your motion manager. After that, I can increase the time into, for example, 4 seconds. And here, the key points can drag it into 4 seconds. Go to the motion study properties, change the frame into 10, and basic motion should be 20 is better. It depends on your system. Here, change animation to basic motion. I click on the play. Our motion study is run. I do it again. You can decrease the speed of the animation, for example, into 0.25, double it. Play again. Two balls going downside and hit the other balls. Okay, our lesson is finished. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. If you have any question, just comments below the video, and don't forget to share it to your Solidworks guys. And thanks for watching.